In this hints and tip video, we are having a look at part 2 of our Word navigational shortcuts. Following on from part 1, we are in this video going to have a look at 2 keyboard shortcuts and 2 key shortcuts that you can use on your keyboard within Word. So the first shortcut we are going to look at is a keyboard shortcut. The one we are looking at is Ctrl+Alt+Page up. Pressing this combination of keys moves your cursor to the top of the screen that you can see. I'm now pressing in my screen, my cursor is next to the behaviours word. Pressing Ctrl+Alt+Page up on my keyboard, my cursor has now moved next to the introduction text word at the top of the screen. The next keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Alt+Page down, which does the opposite and moves my cursor to the bottom of the screen. So pressing Ctrl+Alt+Page down, you can now see that my cursor is down here at the bottom next to the word from. So those 2 keyboard shortcuts just move your cursor in your Word document to either the top or the bottom of the screen in front of you. We're then also going to have a look at 2 shortcut keys, or 2 keys you can use on your keyboard and the shortcuts that they do. We're going to look at the page up and page down key just by themselves. So the page up key scrolls the document you have open up by one screen, moving the cursor as it goes. So in my Word document, I'm going to put my cursor next to this behaviours word again, and pressing the page up key once, it has moved my screen, my view of the Word document up by a screen. Press it again, it moves up again, press it again, and it keeps moving up in my Word document. Now the page down key will do the opposite. So pressing the page down key on your keyboard scrolls the document you have open down by one screen, same again moving the cursor as it goes. So I'm now going to press my down key once, you can see it's moved down, press it again, it's moved down again, and as I keep pressing it, you can see it keeps moving down a screen at a time down my Word document. So those are just some shortcut keys and shortcut keyboard combinations that you can use within your Word documents to move around. So rather than actually just word shortcuts, these are navigation shortcuts again. So just a summary of those shortcuts that we've covered. The Ctrl+Alt+Page up key will move your cursor to the top of the screen you're in. The Control, Page and down key will move the cursor to the bottom of the screen you're in. And then just the page up key by itself scrolls the document you have open up by one screen, moving the cursor as it goes. And the page down key by itself scrolls the document you have open down by one screen, moving the cursor as it goes as well. So we hope you enjoyed this second video in our navigation shortcuts, hints and tips within Word, and we hope you'll join us for our next shortcut video in Word or Excel that we'll be doing soon.